Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, of course, you cannot see my face because I wanted to just come to you guys and show you guys my everyday quick at-home nail video. So first, I just want to start off with trimming my nails. Now these are just my everyday nails. They look pretty crusty right now. I've broken a few. I've cleaned my house. I've done everything that I usually do. Of course, before we get started, I do want to tell you guys I am in no way a professional. I am not a nail tech. So I'm just showing you what I do just to help people who don't really know what to do. So first, I like to lay down something that I don't mind messing up. I'm not going to do my nails on my cute cloth or my cute countertops because I don't want to ruin those things. I'm not going to ruin those things for a YouTube video. I'm so sorry. So I just like to put down like a rag or something I really don't care about as much. This is one of my dish towels. Actually, it has bleach on it on the other side, so I really don't mind getting it dirty. So yeah, so first I'm just going to go ahead and clip and trim my nails down. This step is imperative to me because it just helps the nail have like a natural look underneath. I do like to do my nails in my restroom a lot because I just feel like that's the most sanitary place to do them. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Tropical Shine Lilac Antibacteria file. I got this from Sally's, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just file them. This is also my fiance's, but I lost my cuticle pusher back thing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use his. It makes it look more natural. I'm just gonna take this Tropical Shine purple hard shell slash soft sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of buff my nails. So I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. I just washed my hands with regular soap if you are curious. Now I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Maximum Strength nail polish remover, and I'm just going to kind of just make sure my nail beds are absolutely clean and ready. So I do have a couple of options for nails. I like to wear these more often because they are just a short look. I don't really want to do anything too long right now. I just want something really simple and natural. I ordered these from Shein.com. I will link them below so that you can order them if you like. So I already know what numbers I need, so for my thumb I do use zeros. I know some people might think I'm crazy for this, but for nail glue, I do use Gorilla Glue. I do not overdo it. I do not go overboard. I do use a tad bit, very, very small amount, but this is what works for me. Like I said, I am not a nail tech. I know this is probably super bad for my nails, so don't come for me, please. I know. Regular nail glue just doesn't work for me anymore. Ever since, you know, I wash dishes more, I clean up more, you know. I do a lot of things with my hands now, and this glue just really does work for me. Especially with trying to film YouTube videos and keep up my nails are very, very tedious. If you think this is too strong, the second best option I like is the Kiss nail glue. I will link it below, or I'll leave a picture in the video somewhere just to show you that glue, because that is a good option, but it just doesn't work for me anymore. So I just do a simple small dab, and then I like to get the fake nail as close to my real nail bed as possible. So I just kind of slide it in here. And I do like to do each hand at the same time. It just, I don't know, it just helps me to go faster. So, see, bam, there you are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of them, and I will be right back. So once I have the nails on, what I like to do is, usually I will just file them down because there is like a little prickly thing at the top of these nails where you just kind of want to file off. I do want kind of a shorter look, so I'm just going to go ahead and clip these down just a little. So I'm just gonna go ahead back in with my pink nail file, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shape these and just even them out. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just wash my hands again and clean these up. So now that they are all fresh and clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my nail buffer and just kind of do this to it. When I do this to my nails, it kind of gets that excess like little nail pieces off of the end of the nail. I don't know if y'all can really tell from video. Pieces are just kind of flying off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hands again. So I'm just gonna use the LA Colors gel nail polish. Mine is in the shade Vanilla Latte. Now the best thing that I can say about this nail polish is that you don't need a top coat. You can add one if you would like. I normally do not. If you do want a good recommendation for a top coat, I like to use this one. Well, I just started using this one actually. I usually use another Sally Hansen's nail polish, but I didn't order that one. It's kind of more expensive. This one was like $2 on Amazon, so I'm trying that one right now. While I wait for them to dry, which is going to be really quickly, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my mess, and I will be right back. So next, I'm just going to take my Fourth Ray Beauty Strawberry Seed Oil. It looks like this. And I'm just going to rub it into my cuticles just to add natural oils back into my skin. Alright, here are the finished nails. So I hope you guys like this video. This was really just something easy to do because I have gotten a couple requests on my nail routine during this whole quarantine time and how do I keep my nails looking nice. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!